is Dope, and today we're doing a B-Boy Footwork variations tutorial. Now I've got 3 footwork moves that I'm going to bring you today. We're going to be doing a walkout, we're going to be doing an inverted spin, and we're going to be doing a body thread. Now, you might not know what them are, and some of these names might be not what you're used to, but this is what I call them, yeah? So, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with the content, join the crew. Apart from that, let's get straight into the first one. So, first one is a walkout. Walkout looks like this. Yeah, now I've taught kick out, single leg, double leg, but I haven't taught a walkout before, I don't think, so this will be the first walkout tutorial, yeah? So what we're going to do, you're going to start out in neutral here. You're going to bring the left leg across. Now I'll shout out all the opposites to what I'm doing so you can mirror me, make it easier for you to learn, yeah? So you're going to bring your left hand down, your right hand, you can keep it out wherever you like. You can bring it in front, you can bring it up. I like to tuck it in behind, so I'm going to tuck that in behind. And my left leg is going to come across onto a heel. Now you don't want to fully straighten that leg, you can, but it's going to make it a lot harder. So I like to keep it just slightly bent, so you're not too far out, that way you can keep it nice and quick. The right foot is going to come out, so both legs slightly bent. Again, you can go fully straight if you want, but it's quite hard. You don't have to hold this position, don't worry. So left leg from there is going to come in, back underneath. Make sure it's right underneath your butt, so you get it in nice and clean. You do not want your heels down when you're in that neutral position. From there, right foot comes in, and you should be back into central. Yeah, so that one again. So left hand down, right hand behind, left foot's coming out, right foot's coming out, left foot's coming in, right foot's coming in. So you should be back to that neutral. Then you're going to go the other side. So right hand's coming down, left hand comes behind, goes left foot out, left foot in, right foot in. So your pattern is left out, left in, right in, left out, left in, right in. Yeah? So here again, so left down, you're going left out, left in, right in. And the other side, you can put the other hand down. So this is your left hand, right hand down. You're going to go left out, left in, right in. And your speed for that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Nice and easy. There's your walkout. So that's a nice quick one you can use on a fast beat. If you want to hit some quick beats in your round, you can use a walkout for that one, yeah? Nice. Next one is the inverted spin. Now there might be another name for this one, but this is what I call it. I use this move a lot. An inverted spin looks like this. Now the reason I call it that is because you're kind of spinning the opposite way to normal, the opposite way to usual, yeah? Usually, we would hook left across, and we'd spin around this way. But this one, you're hooking left across, and then you're spinning in on yourself. Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to start out in neutral as always. You're going to bring left foot, hook to cross. Now instead of spinning this way to unravel your legs, you're going to keep this leg hooked. You should be pivoting fully on your right foot, which is down here. So your right foot should be down on the ball of its foot, and the left should be across. From here, you're going to push with this right hand to get you halfway around. You're then going to push with that left hand to get you the other way around. Yeah? So, my bad, others. You're going to push with left hand first to get you halfway. Push with right hand to get the other halfway around. And you should be back to here. Then, to switch to the other side, you're just going to do a switch hook. So, bring that left foot out. Bring that right foot across, and you go to the other side. From here, so you should have put right hand down there just as you switch. You're going to push with that hand to get halfway. Push with left hand. So what you want to do with this left hand is put it in the center of your body. That way you can push and get the other half the way around. It's a lot easier, quicker though, don't worry. So again, start in neutral. You can bring left foot across, left hand down. You're going to push halfway with the other hand, and then hook switch. So step it out, and get across, right hand down, push halfway, switch hands, push the other half away. Step it out, hook switch, and then you can go again. Yeah? So that one will be a 2 count or a 4 count move, depending on how you want to hit. But you'll hook, spin, switch, hook, spin. And that's your inverted spin, yeah? Nice. Okay, so the last one that we're going to do, I call it a body thread, because you're threading your legs through using your body. Now most threads we do will be these, where we grab a leg and thread through, whereas this one you're using your whole body to thread through. Yeah, so I'll show you this one. We'll do it on a diagonal. So you're going to jump out to your A-frame, 3-step, and then hook and thread through. And we're going to hit out and a little back rock freeze to finish it off, just to start it out, yeah? So what you're going to do with this one is I'll teach you this angle, and then I'll teach you the side angle so you can see everything that's going on, yeah? So you're going to start in your A-frame position, which is the 3rd step of a 6-step. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to do a little hop with your feet up at the back. All you're doing that hop for is just to create a little bit of momentum to come through. Now I advise with this one, having your hands like this. If you really can't do that, flat hands is fine, it might make it a little bit harder. But hands like this in footwork is always optimal. Gives you a little more height, makes you a little lighter, makes you faster. Yeah? So you're going to start it here in that A-frame. You're doing a little hop. Now you're going to cross your legs. Now how your legs should be is when you sit down on the floor like this, that's how you want your legs to be. So I have left leg on top, right foot underneath. The legs should be crossed. They're coming through like this because you're a nice small shape. If you were to bring them like this, you're a lot bigger shape. So you want to keep your legs crossed like this as you come through. So you're going to start out here in your A-frame. You're going to do your hop at the back. I'm going to bring my right foot behind, left foot in front, and cross. Now all you're going to do there is you're going to use a swing kind of motion to bring your legs through. They will scrape on the floor, that's fine, as long as you get them through. Yeah? So you're going to hop, cross your legs, swing them through, and push them out. So let's give that a go. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, hop, swing, through. Good. Now you should come to there. Now you want to swing, but when you come through, you want to capture in your butt, bring them legs out to here, and then you can lie down. Now what you're going to do from here is you're going to roll back onto your shoulders. You can do catch yourself and do a little cross with your legs. Now you don't have to do that, you can come out of that anyway. That's just the way I like to finish that one. You can flick up out of it, you can floor rock out of it, or you can just finish with that little freeze, yeah? So again, I'll go on a diagonal so you can see a bit easier. So you want to start on that A-frame. You're hopping, crossing, bringing it through, and pushing it through, yeah? So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, hop, cross, through, and try and hit back in that roll. Yeah? Let's go on. One more. I'll go on diagonal angle here. And after we've done that, I'll go a few times with music just so you can see them all quick. And you can try and follow along if you like to. Yeah? So from here, so you jump, cross legs, swing them through, land. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, cross, through, and hit. Nice. So there's your body thread. Good. So we managed to get our walkouts with our inverted spin and a body thread. So now we're going to do it a couple of times with the music, yeah? So here it is with a beat. Okay, here they are with a beat. Follow along if you like. If not, just keep it. Get on. Be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to keep up to date with the content and support the channel. Be sure to hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the uploads. If there's anything that you guys do want to see that I'm not doing, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll definitely get back to you guys. I always reply to you. I appreciate all you guys who do watch. If there's anything else that you do want to learn, I have links in the description for all my other playlists. I've got routine playlists, move playlists. I'm throwing out 3 different styles on this channel. So, lots of you guys to learn. Apart from that, well done. Catch you in the next one.